All right, another Systems Ninja check-in. I'm here to talk to you about how we're going to be moving forward using a new all-staff weekly meeting doc. This is in a program called AirTable, and first thing you need to do is accept the invite that's in your email. If any trouble, let me know. But a couple things to know is that this is the gallery view, which is going to show just your contact card and focus number 1 for the week, focus number 2 for the week, focus number 3, and then at the end of the week, you can check if you had completed that focus or not, which will populate this percentage complete for you. So today, please, from the all-staff meeting, transfer over your 3 looking forwards into your new contact card. That makes sense. So you're going to take focus 1, 2, and 3 and transfer it over to by double-clicking focus 1, 2, and 3. Moving forward, we'll just copy and paste this week and we'll give ourselves a percentage. Let me know if you have any questions. Systems Ninja out. Systems Ninja.